Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, reliable equipment that you can trust. This video will show you the GMC hydraulic plate bending roll model HBR-0525, which is a Taiwan quality machine. The HBR-0525 is packed with top-of-the-line features at a very affordable price. Some of these features are initial pinch, 3 hardened ground and polish-driven rolls, hydraulically powered bending roll with LED positioning readout for repeat bends, back roll, tilt for coning applications, coning attachment, 3-wire grooves, and top roll swing out, which makes this one of our best sellers. It also comes with 2 e-stops, one on the foot pedestal, and one that is a safety line mounted around the entire machine for emergency shutoff in order to meet OSHA requirements. The HBR-0525 can bend 60 inches of 1/4 inch mild steel or 3/16 of an inch stainless steel and is available in 220 volt or 440 volt 3-phase. This roll is also backed by our 1-year factory warranty for parts and will make a great addition to any facility or shop. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and has sold thousands of rolls that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have on-site factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you'll never have to worry about production downtime. On behalf of GMC Machine Tools, we thank you for watching.